Today I want to show you something very important. This is a red tiger's eye, but not a natural one. In nature, red tiger's eye is extremely rare. What you're seeing here is a dyed stone. Watch closely as I zoom into the Chatoyant band. You can immediately see that the color looks completely unnatural. The red of the Bodycolor is too bright, too artificial, and too evenly spread through the fibers. Natural tiger's eye gets its golden, brown color from iron oxides. When people want red, they usually use chemical dyes to force this color into the stone. Under the microscope, this artificial color becomes very obvious. The easiest way to spot dyed tiger's eye is actually with your eyes. The color often looks too intense and too saturated. But under the microscope, the deception becomes crystal clear. Remember, if the red looks almost neon or overly saturated, it's almost certainly dyed. If you want to learn how to spot treatments and dyed gemstones like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. We study gemology together every week.